Hello and welcome back to Learning Unity Part 4. In this video I'll be showing a quick little snippet of the prototype and basically listing off the things that I learned and what's next. Okay, so here are some of the things I learned while doing this project. I learned basic character movement using rigid body velocity, basic player attack system using basic input system, the old one, basic animators and animations, animation events, serialized fields, Unity events, void methods, return methods, nav mesh baking, basic enemy behavior using nav mesh agent, interfaces, raycasting, get and set assessors, string interpolation, basic UI including image, buttons, sliders, and Text Mesh Pro, particle systems, audio source and clips using Play One Shot, basics to Cinemachine, and the profiler. So with this project wrapped up and finished, I've been thinking, what's next? And one of the biggest things I want to work on, and pretty much going to be my whole next project, is finite state machines. I'm really looking into getting into these. Also, if you want to check out this prototype, or whatever you want to call it, I'm going to upload it to itch.io. Link will be in the description. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed, please subscribe down below.